When the world of automotive and contemporary resin art collide, the results are truly extraordinary. We are pleased to announce Project Chromology by MSO.
I'm Nat Bowen and I'm a British abstract artist.
The collaboration brings Nat's distinctive artistic language to the world of automotive design.
So I paint abstract artworks using resin. I use the term chromology, so the psychology of colour. It's the foundation of my work, the way that colours make us feel, the emotional response we have to colour, and how colour is essentially an energy.
Together, we have curated a collection of McLaren 750s, each with their own colourway. We worked hand in hand to reinterpret Nat's resin paint technique through a brand new MSO paint finish.
As a painter, you always strive to achieve perfect glass finish, having to actually put texture into panels rather than creating a smooth glass finish.
Nat's work does tend to be all on the 2D, whereas the cars we're working on are 3D. So the biggest challenge was to preserve the integrity of Nat's work while adapting it to the flow of the bodywork.
Working with Nat has been completely organic. Her approach to sharing her learnings has been a great benefit for our technical experts.
For me, this collaboration is about the meeting point between art and engineering. McLaren's approach to design is so aligned with how I work. Every line, every layer, every material has a purpose, and that's exactly how I approach my resin pieces as well. Both are about pushing boundaries and experimenting and creating something that really feels alive. Ultimately, it's all about energy and this idea of transforming materials into emotion.
The alignment of two forward-thinking brands has resulted in a celebration of innovation and individuality.
This collaboration is about that connection between energy and motion, colour and performance, science and soul.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.